Alright guys, we're going to show you just a quick little trick on how to get laminate under a cabinet. You just kind of gently scrape off the tongue a little bit. Okay. And you can see there's no way for us to hit the board down this way, so we're going to have to figure out how to get the board in there. So I took a little bit of that tongue off. I'm going to put me some of my wood glue on there. Okay. I'm going to put this end in first right here. And just gently. Okay, and then I'm going to get rid of this excess glue. I'm just going to give it a little tap, just a little. We want to start at one end. Just a little tap. We don't want to jump and smack and whack everything out of alignment. We're just nice and easy, breezy, beautiful cover girl. There you go.